Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete multiple posts on X, Twitter, on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to clean up your profile quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Start by opening the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture, located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select the profile option. Step 4. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Posts section. Here, you will see a list of all your posts. Step 5. To delete a post, tap on the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the post. Step 6. A menu will pop up with various options. Select the Delete Post option. Step 7. Confirm your decision to delete the post by tapping on Delete in the confirmation prompt. Step 8. Repeat these steps for each post that you wish to delete. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently clean up your profile by deleting multiple posts on X, Twitter, on your Android device. Remember to always review the posts before deleting them to ensure that you are removing the correct ones. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning.